How to play on two Roblox accounts at the same time. So this is a very easy tutorial. What you're going to do first is to simply go to your web browser, any web browser. But this time I'm using my Google web browser here. And then you just have to pick any of the game here. For example, Blocks Fruits. Tap that one. And then you just have to click this green button here. And then what you're going to do next is to simply download and install Roblox. Click this one and it will appear right here. There will be a notification that you are downloading and Roblox. Once done, open this folder and then kindly tap the name, right click, and then click Run as Administrator. Tap this one. Now you have to wait for, I think, couple of minutes, okay, as it is processing. So if you tap right here, if you tap this one, you will see the progress that Roblox is installing, something like that. And then once done, it will automatically appear. Okay, the game will automatically appear right here. Okay, Roblox is successfully installed. Now you just have to wait, and then what you're going to do is to simply log in to your Roblox account. Okay, so when you tap again the green button, you can see here open Roblox and Roblox is now starting. So tap fast mode to start the game. So let me adjust this one and minimize my first Roblox account here or Roblox game. Now let's open the second one. To do that, you just have to go to the search icon and then type Microsoft Store. Okay, click open. Now here, what you're going to do is to simply search for Roblox game. So if you haven't get this, once you enter or open Roblox, you will see here the word get. But once you have installed this already to your Microsoft Store, then you will see the button that says play. You just have to tap the twine and it will take you directly to Roblox application. And then you just have to log in your account, of course, your username or email, and then your password. And then you just have to select the game that you want to play here. For example, please donate. Okay, so let me adjust this one first and then click the game. So when you tap this please donate, all you have to do is just simply click the green button to play, same as when you're using your Google web browser, but this time the game will automatically appear. Okay, so it doesn't take time compared to using your Google web browser. Okay, so that's it. And as you can see now, I can play on two Roblox accounts at the same time. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.